Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing another wish list check off. I have been wanting this item for a very long time, and I finally, actually it became available, and then I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it. So without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. It came in this little box, and usually I don't really show the packaging that it comes in, but this, I was like, I have to. So I just love when brands make the complete packaging like their brand. I just love that. So this is what you see when you open the box. I guess this might be a newer thing from Gucci. They are now including these little totes, like shopping bags. I think it's super cool because you can use this as like a little tote for, I don't know, the beach or something. It's really not thick enough for to use like daily. But it's definitely something that you can use if you're like going to the beach or like something that you just need something to carry stuff in. So I'm here for it, okay? We need a little bit more than y'all's name for justifying the prices of these things. But anyway, it comes with that. This, of course, the receipt and everything like that. And then the item. So it comes beautifully wrapped like so. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now, one thing I did notice with the packaging, ironically already, the box is already kind of torn at the top. I'm pretty sure that happened in transit, which it's not that big of a deal, but I don't know if you can kind of see it. Anyways, back to what we're really here for. So you open it, you have this nice paper, and then you have the item. So as you can tell, this is a handbag. You probably already know what I'm about to show you. I got the Gucci Globetrotter vanity case. Y'all, when I tell you, I am so in love with this bag. Honestly, I don't know what took me so long to just go ahead and get it. I honestly, to be quite honest, I didn't think that I was going to love it as much as I did when I got it. Like at first I was like, okay, it became available. I've been wanting it. Let me just get it. I honestly had forgot about it until it arrived. And I was like, oh, I did get that. And then when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness, it feels so heavy. Not heavy in a bad way, but it definitely has a weight to it. And you can like feel the Globetrotter collab with this. It definitely feels like luggage or like a vanity case, like Louis Vuitton's hat boxes and trunk collection. This is what this reminds me of. I really hope that this becomes like a permanent item for them, because I just feel like it makes sense. Like every brand needs some type of trunk case within reason for the brand, and I just feel like this is perfect. So it pops open like this. I have not taken any of the paper off. I'm so looking forward to doing that. But this is the inside. It comes with a long strap, a lock and key, which we'll open in a second. It is very rigid, so there's no like stretch. It's like trunk material, okay? So everything you can fit in here is all you can fit in here. But there is a lot of room in here. I wish I would have brought my stuff from my other bag. Maybe we'll do that in a separate video or something. But it does fit quite a bit. It's much bigger than the Petite Boyette Chapeau from Louis Vuitton, but it's still that same structured material. So that's what we got there. So like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality, the heaviness of it, the way it feels. Like it feels luxurious. And to be honest, I would venture to say that this is a relatively good price point for this bag. I know that it has gone up since it first came out, but for this type of bag and the quality of it, initially at least, I think this is very fairly priced. Now, I haven't had it that long. We're just unboxing it, but upon initial review, that's what I'm going to go with. I do love that it has semi-feet kind of at the bottom, so it's not just on the ground. Although this is, like I said, a coated trunk kind of feel. It reminds me of the diaper bag, so I feel as though if something were to waste on it, it wouldn't ruin the bag because it is coated, which I know that they've done with a few of their bags, which is so helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this strap. Okay, so here's the strap for the bag. It is adjustable, which I love. Although I typically keep mine adjusted to one length, it does give versatility for various heights, or depending on, you know, how low or high you prefer to carry a bag, whether it be in crossbody or shoulder bag. So we love that versatility. This is what it looks like with the strap on it. But to be honest, I think I'm probably gonna wear it mostly as just like a top handle because I just love the way that that looks. But the strap does give me versatility if I'm out and I need to be hands-free, or I just want, you know, to carry it on my shoulder. It does give that option. Now, like I said before, upon initial review of this bag, it's very, very well made. It is heavy though. Like, I was not expecting it to feel this weighted, and there's nothing in it. So if that is like a thing for you, beware. It does have a little weight in it to it, and it is empty right now. So we'll see how this wears, you know, throughout the day or however long I decide to wear it. But upon initial review, it is a little bit weighted. But I feel like it's worth it for the price point. I feel like it's worth it for the collab and the fact that I think this is more of a vintage classic. Like, it could be a vintage classic, if you know what I mean. Like, in 10 years down the line, I would still pull this out and be very excited about it because of the way the shape and design of it. Like, the vanity case is nothing new. The trunk style bags is nothing new. So I feel like this could easily be one of those moments where it's like, this will be around forever. That's just what I think. And just what I've seen with different brands in this style of bag. I think it's a good buy. I'm going to go ahead and say I highly recommend it. I've been wanting it for a few years. The fact that I have wanted it for a few years, finally got it, and still feel the same about it, that's another star and a check plus in my book, okay? So those are my initial review and my initial thoughts. What do you guys think? What do you guys want to know? We can chat about it in the comments. Of course, keep it cute. And that's going to be really it for this video. I just wanted to unbox it and show it to you guys. I was happy about it, and I wanted to wear it, but I wanted to show it to you guys first. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.